Translation Manager is a browser-based system designed to simplify the management of the subtitling and translation process. By pulling all the separate elements of the workflow into one efficient management tool, Translation Manager offers significant time and cost savings over manual or spreadsheet-based procedures. Designed to help you translate, not administrate. Keeping track of all the many steps involved in ensuring the delivery of high-quality translation to your customers has traditionally involved extreme feats of organizational skill. The subtitling workflow, from receiving an order to delivering the final product to the customer, has involved a vast and complicated array of emails, databases, Excel spreadsheets, FTP sites, and invoices. Translation Manager pulls all of this together into one centralized location. All the emails, scripts and media, calendars and spreadsheets, and customer, employee, and freelance databases that you refer to daily are now all accessible through one centralized place. With Translation Manager at the center of your business, each person in the workflow chain has the data they require at their fingertips, in real time. Each user, whether working in the office or across the world, is granted appropriate access rights according to the kind of tasks they are assigned, and can complete their work without ever having to leave the system. Translation Manager automates many of the processes that have traditionally been done manually. And with an SQL database at the heart of Translation Manager, everything from customer records to timesheets are efficiently stored and retrieved. As it runs within your browser, there's no need to have Translation Manager installed on your computer. And being compatible with the most widely used web browsers, access to your data is securely available from anywhere in the world. When an order is received from a customer, an employee inputs the data into the system and uploads the relevant media files and scripts. All the information pertaining to the order is now accessible through the system. Project managers then allocate tasks to staff and assign dates for their completion. And the system automatically emails people to alert them to the fact that new tasks have been assigned to them. When translators log into Translation Manager, they have an instant view of the tasks they have to complete, as well as any messages they may have received. Without having to leave the system, they can then download the files they need to complete their tasks and finally upload their finished work. They can also use the internal instant messaging system to communicate with the project manager about the task. Every version of a file that is ever uploaded to Translation Manager is saved, so managers and administrators are always able to access all versions of files, even those that have apparently been deleted. Using the management dashboard, general managers can see at a glance an up-to-the-minute display of the company's orders and income for today, this week, this month, and this year. Through the use of integrated price lists and timesheets, Translation Manager dramatically simplifies how customers are charged and how suppliers are paid for the tasks they complete. The costs associated with any task are visible during each step of the process, and profit and loss statements can be extracted from the system at any time. As each user is granted access rights appropriate to the tasks they are required to complete, everyone's home screen will show them only those menus they require to do their work. Because Translation Manager automates a huge amount of the work that has traditionally been done manually, it drastically reduces costly management time. The system also ensures that permanent records are kept of every step in the translation process, so no script can ever be lost, file go astray, or payments be processed inaccurately. Translation Manager unites all the separate elements of your workflow into one secure location, resulting in a joined-up and easy-to-manage process, freeing up time for you to do what you do best: translate, not administrate.